Saturday morning. Welcome back. We are heading over here to Seymour Christian School for a little car show this morning with the Seymour Classic Car Club. Really short trip from here over there. It's probably less than 2 miles. Anyhow, show starts at 8, goes till 3. We're gonna go ahead and get over there and try to meet up, head out some schedules for the next couple months for the club, and check out some of the cars. Really the first show in spring. It's a beautiful morning. It's probably close to 60 degrees, if not warmer. I didn't check. But got probably less than a mile to go now. We're gonna get over here and check out some cars. Oh wow, looks like it's gonna be a pretty good turnout. I see a lot of people here.
Silent auction. They've got clipboards here.
Right there, help yourself.
Hot and fresh off the air clean.